Good morning, ARMR Insiders. Welcome to the ARMR Investing Virtual Hedge Fund Experience. You are a portfolio manager on the desk, Chief Investment Officer. This is our morning meeting. I'm going to share with you big picture macro. We're going to talk about the highlighted group stock action of the day. We're going to go over our carry trade yesterday, something very important. Fell out of that carry trade yesterday to go over with you. At the end of the day, whatever I talk about, whatever you hear, you got to quiet down the noise, figure out your strategy, figure out your goal, your risk tolerance, all that, and execute your strategy. Be the smart money, make your own choices, okay? And let's get to the highlighted stock of the day, the highlighted group of the day. It has to be crypto, okay? I'm going to use ARK. This is what you're looking at right here is a classic shakeout and reversal of a pennant formation. Now, here's my prediction, okay? Shakeouts, pennants are very powerful pattern. When a pennant breaks down, typically it just implodes. But every now and then you get a breakdown, shakeout, island reversal back the other way. Everybody is trapped. Everybody who thought it was going down is trapped. Anybody who's short is trapped. I mean, it could be such an explosive pattern on the way back up. It's such a reversal that it explodes. I don't know what Bitcoin's going to do. I'm just talking about chart patterns. Forget about the fundamentals of Bitcoin and all that other stuff. I'll leave that to other people. I'm just talking about reading, reacting to price and chart patterns. This is one of my favorites. A pennant that breaks down and then sets up an island reversal. That's what's in the green box here. It gapped down out of the pennant and now gapped up. Probably 60 is the stop on this thing. You could use a stop. Maybe I might even use the low of yesterday to cut my position down. 60, I'd cut it out because that island reversal pattern would not be working, okay? In many cases, this never looks back. It just rips higher. Now, we'll see if that's the case. I don't know if crypto is a hedge. I hear people saying, oh, Bitcoin went up when, Trump was targeted. And so it must be a hedge. And I think I kind of lean the other way. Crypto went up because Trump made it through an assassination attempt and the market started pricing in a Trump presidency. And that is a risk-on asset. It's possible Bitcoin turns into a hedge. I don't know. That's another way to hedge a portfolio. Gold, physical silver, maybe some Bitcoin. I don't know if Bitcoin's a hedge yet. It's never proven to be a hedge. It's proven to be a risk-on asset. So as money comes into small caps and you get an island reversal out of a pennant formation, you could have explosive moves higher in crypto. So I choose ARK as my way to play it, ARKB. You could do it any way you want, okay? I think that as a bonus stock to highlight, let's highlight Coinbase. This is the first move. This was the second move. Here we are trying to make the third move, okay? On Coinbase. Hasn't even happened yet. It has to break out really above kind of 160 before it gets interesting. It's early right there. Okay. Great chart patterns in Mara, in, of course, MSTR, MicroStrategy. That's a beautiful pattern right there in MicroStrategy. So look, as always, we have to read and react to price action. And Monday's not my favorite day. But if Bitcoin closes up here, holds the low of yesterday, and closes here or higher by the end of the week, Bitcoin needs to be an allocation in my portfolio. You figure out if it makes sense for you. Bitcoin at all, however you want to play it. Crypto, however you want to do it, okay? So I'll see you guys at 9:30. We'll get started again. ARMR Insiders, can't wait for the next carry trade to show up. ARMR Report subscribers, you can always throw a question in the comment section of this video. I'm happy to answer it. You're on your own the rest of the day. If you can't trade with me all day, ARMR Insiders, you may not be carry trading, but you want to see what we're doing. 11:30, I do an update. Sometimes 2:30, always at 3:30. So you could pipe in at those times. If you got a day job and you're working something else, you can always come into the Slack room and hop onto the private live stream, and I'll tell you, changes we've made so far and what we may be doing. Okay. And of course, as always, if you find it hard to put all this together and be successful, give me a call and I can help you think through the process. We can chat one-on-one about how to execute your strategy for you. Happy to do that for you. All right, everybody have a wonderful trading session. And of course, at the end of the day, no matter what I say or what you hear elsewhere, figure out your strategy, execute your strategy, and be the